Hello everyone, here the one of the most important question, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 minus secant theta cosecant theta we have to prove. So this tan terms and cot term write in terms of sin terms and cos terms. So this tan term we can write sin theta by cos theta 1 by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here the cot theta is there. Next plus this cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus this tan we can write sin by cos. Okay, next look at in next term we have to simplify below term this one. Okay, if we simplify what we will get here by 1 here by 1, so make denominators equal. So here we will get sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Here we will get cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, so remaining same. Next we have to multiply first term and last term and middle terms we have to multiply. So it will become sin square theta, it will become cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. It is in the same way cos theta into cos theta cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta it will become. Next in next step we have to make denominators equal. For that I am taking from this minus outside, so it will become from here if we only this complete same here. Next here this when we are taking minus outside, minus and cos square theta by sin theta into here cos theta minus sin theta is there, so it will become sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, we are taking minus outside. Okay, in next here we have to make denominators equal. Here sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta it is there, but here cos theta is there, here sin theta. So we have to multiply this side with the sin theta, this side with the cos theta, numerator and denominator. Okay, if multiply we will get sin square theta into sin theta by cos theta sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta into cos theta by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Next step you will get sin square theta means sin cube theta by same you will get here cos cube theta by same. Here one of most important formula is there, a cube minus b cube formula. We have to use this formula, and this is a minus b and a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, this formula if you simplify this formula you will get this one. Okay, after that sin square plus sin theta into cos theta by cos square theta by sin theta cos theta. So sin theta